If you put a flashlight in hot boiled water. Let's back up a little bit.
It's cold and shit.
Like 29 degrees outside. Go and watch this from a distance. Nothing's happening yet. Nothing's still happening. I'm gonna zoom ahead in this video until something happens. Okay. It's been there for about 2 minutes now and nothing's happened.
It's still Steven got this.
Back another check-in, nothing's happened yet. It's been about a minute 40, I'd say. Something's not happened yet. I'll bring y'all back with another view soon. Nothing's still happened. We're gonna go out there and check on it.
It's still smoking, dude. Pretty thick thing.
Nothing's going on yet. Alright.
One more. Alright, cool down. No, it's still hot. Still hot.
Nothing's happening right now.
It's hot, right? No, it's hotter than it used to be, but it's still hot.
How long do y'all think it'll take?
Ah, never mind. It's still freaking
Couple
hot.
minutes.
Burnt my fingers.
Alright, nothing's happening still.
Still
But
want it lasts. Still goes.
I'll give y'all a check-in in a minute. See you in a second, guys.
Heat only.
Nothing's happened yet, guys. Be back in a second. Hey guys, nothing's still going on with this. Show y'all what's going on right here. Still steaming, but nothing's happening. I think this is a failure. Be back in a sec. Alright guys, we're checking it one more time. And then I'm gonna, if it hasn't done anything, and it hasn't, I'm gonna come back in about 10 or 5 more minutes to see, even if the light has turned off. Alright, bye guys. Hey guys, we gave up on a flashlight. Got helmets.
Fucking shit.
Helmets.
That one's funny, dude. It's moving around. It's fucking weird.
We got the Lions versus, who's that? Who's that?
OU.
Versus OU. Well, that's not very right, but yeah. And it's about to overboil, it looks like.
Wait, why is it getting higher?
Yeah.
No.
Looks like it.
It
It might. It might, and that might be a problem.
It'll just be less water. No, it's hot water now. It's boiling. Trying to.
Oh, is it even turned on?
Yes. Yeah, it should be. Oh yeah. Well, that's pretty warm.
If it,
Oh, yeah,
it starts
it's hot.
overflowing, you might want
It's
to move
hot,
it to
yeah.
the sink. Just saying.
It's moving. It's not over. It's like it's boiling. Look at that. He's having fun. He's just fucking like a boat out there. They on. We'll get to him. 12. 30. 2 minutes. We'll give him 2 minutes. We'll turn it off and take him like see how hard they. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go check the flashlight. See if it has any progress. Hot cocoa. Still ain't done nothing. Weird. Drink some hot chocolate maybe, you don't think? Yum yum. Hot chocolate tastes good, y'all.
Alright, 1 minute with.
We're gonna leave this in there till 12:38. See what happens.
Alright, 1 minute, guys.
Ain't nothing going on right now.
If only there would in there. Yeah, let's see.
Are they gonna die?
I feel like overheating. Yeah, sometimes it does. That's one
Flame.
Samsung says overheating. It turns it shuts things off. If it's too. Alright, 1 minute, guys.
Alright guys, 12:38. We're checking to see how hot the helmets are. Oh, okay. That was not boiling water.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna put this water in outside. I'm gonna put this water outside.
Alright.
God damn hell.
Hey, put it outside. I'm gonna put something in it. Put something else in it. You'll see if coins will boil.
Oh my god, dude. Look at all the OE white shit.
Alright, we'll see if some pennies will boil.
Pennies?
Yeah. Go check on the flashlight. Put the pennies in the boiler.
Water, you're be careful.
Watch out for our hot cocoa, sir.
This shit is hot.
Dang.
Oh, we got.
Flashlight. Oh crap. Don't pour it all in there. At least some.
Pour your pennies in there.
Alright, pennies are going in.
That's badass, dude. Look at that shit.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, going in.
Kyle's cool. I forced him on the lease, like bottom machine. Bad.
Alright. Go over here, check OU. For back's sake.
Look at the OU.
We're back.
Fuck the OU.
And all it did basically is OU right here. See some color changes in the helmet.
Damn, shit.
Just looks like he hit all players in the helmet or got hit.
Yeah, that's back
pretty
there.
buff.
Collection. Fuck it up.
Alright. This one didn't really do nothing, just little scrapes on it.
Well, nice.
Nothing really. Nothing on the inside either.
That's how I do something. Pretty weak. He's pretty weak. Oh, he's pretty good right there.
Nothing really.
Yeah. Boom. I'm trying to see any weak spots.
Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to go check the flashlight and the pennies. First, go good hot cocoa.
It's pretty cold. You know what? Fucking hot. It's still hot. Yeah. It's like outside. Yeah, you got
We'll check it.
Hey, put more hot water in that bitch.
Ain't nothing going on here.
They're pennies.
Yeah, threw pennies in there.
Flashlight's
Freezing balls out here. It's like 27 degrees outside, boys. This might affect it a little bit since it's pretty cold.
Right. Well, can you drink your final gas?
Yeah, I can drink a little bit.
I like pouring gasoline in that fucking shit and buy it.
So guys, we'll come back when something's going on to the flashlight or the pennies. Bye. Put the thermometer in the freezer. What's the cold thing? What's the cold thing? I guess it's secret right. Stick the thermometer in.
Oh my. I don't want to try on the OU shit.
Alright.
Cold challenge or something. Yeah, I sure it's that cold in there.
Yeah, but
No, don't hold that button down. Just leave it in there. Here.
it says low.
Here, alright.
Alright, you doing it?
They say low. I told you mine, yeah.
Yeah. Yours is 93 or something.
Pretty warm.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thing here,
oh, I heard beep.
Yeah.
Yeah. See what we got. It's still saying low Fahrenheit and it's really cold.
I mean, it's like 30 degrees. There's a thing that tells the temperature, right? Stick on the wind, stick on something.
Is that?
Nope. The little thing, the black thing. My dad hates that. You know my dad? He has a. Yes. Oh, another one.
This is the one I put in there.
No. They got me too. Keep it up.
Alright, I want to do something. Oh, yeah, work. Grab the helmets. Bring them over here. Gonna glue these helmets together. I mean, tape them. Tape them together real quick. Don't know why. So stay together. And put it in there. And I'll put this in boiling water. And it'll burn tape off. And it won't be a very good day for the tape. Okay, let's see. Tapey.
You know what it is. It's
Now we're gonna put these bad boys in there. Tape them together. Hey guys, putting the football helmets outside with the flashlight.
You don't think it works?
They're taped together.
Good. Put them in the back. Put them outside.
Alright. Here we go. We're gonna go check this and put this out here. Guys. And you could tell the flashlight is blinking a little bit. Can't barely see it, but second go is blinking. Guess it's getting a little hotter. Come back and check in a second. But peanut butter flip.
Alright.
Let's go check the flashlight again, boys.
Alright.
So,
Let's take real one.
uh,
Oh. Oh, it's messing up.
got sign of flash. It's
Flashlight's
flashing.
messing up.
Okay.
Got a little back up a minute.
Back up a little bit.
Right here. What's it doing? Too hot. Take a little off. Chill. I'm not running the tank, but it's fucking up. It just went back over it. It's probably getting to it, is it?
Okay, that's weird.
The rain's just. Oh!
Uh-oh.
It's dying.
Is that your mom?
Yep.
And there's mom. Oh, God. Alright, guys. Looks like this flashlight ain't doing very much for now.
Let's go look.
Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channels. Sorry, nothing happened this time, but next time it will. Bye.